You know what would be fun? Is if I played with my dog. Come here. Let me see if I can get him on screen real quick. Ozzy, come. Come here. I'm gonna drop this ball. And you're gonna follow me. Stop. Stop. This is Boz, spelled B-A-Z. No, not that A, this A. He is my dog. It was my best friend's birthday and I had strep throat. I went home after a long night of throwing up and ruining a friend's birthday party. And when I got back to my house, my parents decided to surprise me with a dog. Boz is a sheepadoodle, which means he's a mix between a sheepdog and a poodle. His mom was a full poodle while his dad was a sheepadoodle. All his siblings are black and white while he was a mix of brown and gray, white and black. He weighs 51 pounds, has a summer and winter form, and loves to play keep away. He has the most derpiest face and disgusting side eye you will ever see. And today, I am playing with him. Come here. Come. He is a good dog. Although what he does like to do is play keep away. So when I throw the ball, he'll grab it, and then he'll run away. And he won't give it back. Sometimes he will. Come on! Over here, come on! Come on! Boz, come! Can you sit? TV. Can you sit? Boz, sit. Can you lie down? Buddy, lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Up. Buddy, up. Bud, up. Rise. Can you catch this in the mouth? Nope. You're gonna lie down in the shade. Are you hot? Okay. He likes the shade. He likes it a lot. I just stepped on his knees. Can I have it? Do you want to go get it? Hey, come on. Let's see if it's going to feel like a little bit of things. Which is chicken. Get it? And come back with it. I'll step back again. Keep this more. There you go. You did it! You got it! That's like this. Come on! Come on! Come on!
Alright, come. Hold on. Let me catch this. Oh my gosh. Come here, come give it back. I keep feeling things crawling. Come on. Good boy. Don't line there, don't line there. Who need in the dirt? Respect yours. And you say that. Okay. You got it. That's a good boy. See, do we have another ball? Okay. Give me that. Okay, go. Stay. Okay, let's see. Pick one. Let's see how. Tired. You want one? You want one more? Let's go say goodbye to the camera. Okay, this is playing with my dog for 10 minutes. You did a good job. You all tired? Don't eat grass. That's gross. Do you want some water? Go get some water. I'll go get some water. Okay, thank you all for watching. It's been pretty cool, pretty fun. I hope you all really enjoyed. And I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed. Okay, come here, baby.